Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today we will check on the locator By.LinkText. So By.LinkText is used to locate hyperlinks on a web page. Every clickable element on a website is created using anchor tag or also called a tag. The visible text inside that link is called the link text. Selenium allows us to locate element by matching the visible text exactly. In real applications, link text is commonly used to click menu items, navigation links, and page links when the text is stable. If you see the example, we are finding the element by link text sign up. When we try to run the application, it will try to launch the Cogmento application and it will try to click on sign up this link. The text is sign up and we are using the same using the text sign up and we are using the locator by.linkText and it has navigated to the other page also after clicking. So Selenium locates a link on Cogmento and it will try to click on that particular link. Once it clicks, it will be navigated to other page. This shows that .linkText works in real web application. By.linkText is perfect when link text is stable and readable. And this has to be used carefully in real world examples like when there is a change in language options, the text on that particular button may be different in different languages. So this by.link text has to be used accordingly when it suits the application. In the next video we will see by.partial link text locator. Thank you.